Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ahmed Awad. Today we have a revision sheet for grade 8 for the midterm exam. Okay, so let's start, guys. The first question: find the sum of measures of angles of the figure. So how can I find this? Yes, Ahmed? Yes, the rule which is what? N minus multiply 180, yes. So n minus 2 multiply 180. So n here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n here how many? 5? Yes, 5. 5 minus 2? Yes. It's going to be 500 what? 540. So 5 minus 2 is going to be 3. 3 times 180 is going to be 540. Now, so the question, the answer going to be what? The answer going to be C. Now, what about number 2? Yes. Save. Yes. The whole angle is the same theorem, yes. States the same measure of the angle and if both is. Yes. So it's going to be what? Which one? A, B, C? Brackets n minus 2 minus 2 brackets. Yeah, so it's going to be letter D. Yes. N minus 2 multiply 180. What about if he asks about one angle? It's going to be what, ya Ahmed? It's n minus 2 multiply 180 divide by n. Okay, the choice is not here. Okay, but if we ask about the sum, you choose n minus 2 multiply 180. Now, question number 3. Yes, Ahmed? Okay. Find the dividends of the value. The diagram is clear. Okay. To fit this, we have to get y. It's very simple. Now we have to get 6 of y. All of this is what it is. Yes, so all this is a straight angle, so this angle is going to be 180, okay, minus what? 106, okay? So it's going to be what? 74, okay? Now, so angle Y, it's going to be 74. Now, how can I find angle X? This is what? Quadrilateral. The sum of all angles, in quadrilateral equal what, my dear? Equal 300. Yeah, so 360. X here it's going to be equal what, teacher? 360 minus the sum of all angles, which are what? 1, 19, plus 74 plus 74. Okay, which is gonna be what? If you add them, so it's gonna be what, my dear? It's gonna be 360, okay, minus what? Minus the sum of all angles. Okay, so in this case, yeah, so minus what? 119 plus 74 plus 74. Okay, so it's going to be 93. So angle X is going to be what? 93. Okay, Mr. Qasim, I need them. Do you need them? I know. I know that the last you need them right now? I don't need them. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Now, guys, what about number 4? So the answer here is gonna be x equal 93 and the y equal what? 74. So the answer gonna be C. Okay. Now number 4. Yes, save. Number 4 is what? 96. Yeah. So how to find the y? It's gonna be y equal 180. So 181 is minus, yes. 96 plus 31. Okay. 53. So it's going to be 180 minus 127. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. So it's going to be what? 53. Okay. So angle Y is going to be 53. Now, teacher, how to find this shape is what? Parallelogram. This angle 96. So this angle going to be what? 96. So Z equal what? 96. And Y equal 53. What about X, teacher? Okay. Yes, this angle and this angle are what? You mean interior. Okay. So this one 31, this one is going to be 31. So angle X equal 31, angle Y equal 53, angle Z equal what? 96. So correct answer is going to be C. Okay. Now, number 5. Number 5. Yes, Ahmed, read quickly. CDA equal 57. Okay. Yeah, so in this case, BCD. What about this angle equal what? Oh, I said in parallelogram, any two consecutive angles, there's some gonna be 180. Yes. So angle C equal 180 minus 57. What's it gonna be? 123. 123. Okay. So it's gonna be 123, which is letter D. Okay. Number 6. Save. For the parallelogram, if measure angle 2 equal 4x minus 20 and measure angle 4 equal 3x minus 7, find measure angle 1, the diagram is. Yes, what is the relation between angle 2 and angle 3? Angle 2 and angle 3, there's some, 2 and 3. They are what? Consecutive. So there. Oh, wait, yes, he said 4. So in this case, angle 2 and 4, okay, they are what? They are opposite. So basically 4x minus 20. Yeah, so we can see. So 4x minus 20 equal what? 3x minus 11. Now move number with variable with variable. So it's going to be 4x minus 3x equal 20 minus 11. You should exchange the sign. So x equal what? 9. Okay, now he asked about angle 1. Angle 1 equal what, teacher? This angle, you should find what? So angle 2 equal what? Yes, 4 times. Yes. So this angle 16 and this one is going to be. Now, what about 1? Great. Yeah. Okay, so it's going to be what? 164. Okay. Now, what about letter number 7? Yes, save. ABCD is a parallelogram. If measure angle CDA equals 60, then measure angle ABC. ABC. So this which angle, A or B or C? The one which in the middle. So angle B equal what? Angle B equal 100. Are you sure? Are you sure? Yes. Why? I said in parallelogram, the properties of parallelogram. Do you remember it? Every two opposite angles are what? Are equal. This one 63, so this one gonna be 63. Yes. Every two consecutive angles, the sum is 180. Every two opposite angles, they are equal. Okay, number 8, Ahmed Nash'al. Okay, The two diagonals bisect each other, yes. So this part equals 6, this part gonna be 6, okay. So AM, he asked about AM, only AM, so it's gonna be what? No, he asked about only AM. So it's gonna be what? 6. Now, number 9. Save. Number 9. And O equal plus find the value of x and then find n and O. Yes, the properties of parallelogram, every two of the sides are equal. So in this case, NM equal OL. Okay? So in this case, we can say NM equal what? OL. So what will happen here? X plus 5 equal what, teacher? Huh? 2x plus 3. Now move number with and the variable with variable. So 2x minus x equal x. Okay? And 5 minus 3 is going to be what? 2. So x here equal what? 2. Now, how can I find nm? Both x equal what? So 2 plus 5 is going to be 7. What about OL? 2 multiplied 2 be 4. 4 plus 3? Okay, so it's going to be x equal to nm equal 7 and OL equal what? 7. So the correct answer is going to be letter B. Okay. Ahmed Nashat, number 10. If B is equal to B, okay, so if B and B are the same. Why is C the quadratic is the good, the simplicity is up. The hypothesis, because he said that B equals to 6 as B, we know that the quadratic would be the sum is 108. So 108 equals 6 is not less than 134. Okay. So in this case, the correct answer is going to be letter C. Number 11, find the value of x and y of which ABCD must be parallelogram. Okay. I said before, if this shape is parallelogram, so this means the two diagonals bisect each other. Okay. So in this case, this means this part equal this part. So in this case, 3x minus 14 equal what? X plus 2. Now what will happen? Yes, Steve? You mean number with number and the variable with variable. Okay, so 3x minus x, it's going to be 2x equal what, teacher? 2 plus 14 is going to be? Then divide by what? Each side or one side? X equal 8. So x here equal y. What about y, Ahmed? About what? So this is the 4y plus 7, y plus 11. So this is the yes, so the two diagonals bisect each other. So in this case, this part equal this part. So 4y minus 7. Okay, 4y minus 7. Okay, equal what? Equal y plus 11. Now what will happen? Okay, so in this case, for y minus y equal? 7 plus 11. Yes. So basically, for y minus y equals 3y. Yes, so? And we have the 11 equal 18. So y, basically, divide by 3 each side, okay? So y equals 6. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So the correct answer is going to be 8 and 6, which is letter A. Great. Number 12. Based on the information in the diagram, can conclude that the figure is a parallelogram. Okay. The two diagonals bisect each other. So what will happen here? We can say what? Yes. Yes. Sides are both parallel. So which one? Yes, the diagonals bisect each other because it's what? So it's a parallelogram. So in this case, we can say the two diagonals bisect each other. Now, what about number 13? Yes, Ahmed? Yes. Yes. This angle should be, yes, this one, if you make all sides equal, we can say it's rhombus, okay? So, in this case, the angles should be right. If one angle right, this means it's going to be what? Rectangle, square, quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus. It's going to be letter A. What about number 14? Save. Which statement or square or rectangle or quadrilateral or rectangle or parallelograms are rectangle or rectangle or square? Yes. I think A. A. Why A? Do you remember? Because the W. If you remember it. Squares yeah, so in this case, I said before we have how many families? Three. Yes, we have one. Yes, relateral. I said we have how many? Huh? Three families. Three families, yes. Okay. First family. Yes, so we have trapezoid. Okay. Trapezoid, let's take the shape. Let me. Let's draw it, yeah, Ahmed. Okay. So this trapezoid. In trapezoid, you should have what? Two parallel, yeah, two parallel lines. I said trapezoid. He has two sides. Right and trapezoid. Yes, right trapezoid. Right trapezoid. Okay. Right. This angle should be right, and this one, yes, compared to this one. And the second one is what? Isosceles. Yes. Okay. So this side should equal what? Should equal this side. Okay. The second case we have what? Huh? Kite. Yes. In kite, what will happen? Hmm? Two consecutive sides are what? Are equal. Okay. So this side equal this side, and this side equal this side. Okay. The third family, which is what? Huh? Remember? You mean parallelogram? Okay. The third family, my dear. Yes, parallelogram. Okay. Parallelogram is take the shape. Do you remember it? Basically, we have the parallelogram itself. Then we have the so this side pair to this side, and this side pair to this side, and equal in the same time. Okay. Okay. Now it has how many? How many sons? Okay. Yes. So the first one is what? Rectangle. Let me rectangle here. Okay. Wait. So this is what rectangle. The rectangle, all angles should be what? Okay. So this side equal this side and pair to it, and this side equal this side and pair to it, and all angles should be right. Huh? What about the second son? Huh? Rhombus. So rhombus, all angles are what? No, all sides are equal. Okay. Okay. So this is this angles are equal. This sides equal this side equal this side. What about diagonals? Huh? And diagonals or what? Diagonals are equal? Are you sure equal? Are perpendicular and bisect each other. So this side equal this side and this part equal this part. Now, the third son, it takes the properties of what? Of parallelogram and rectangle and what? Yes. So in this case, it's gonna be square. In a square, all sides are equal. So this side equal this side equal this side equal this side. All angles are right. The two diagonals, bisector and perpendicular. Okay, bisect each other and what? And perpendicular. So we can say all squares are what? Are rectangles, are parallelograms, are quadrilaterals. Yeah. All squares are rhombus, parallelogram, quadrilateral. All square are rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and what? And quadrilateral. Okay, my dear? Okay. Now, question number 15, Ahmed Nashad. So 14 is going to be A? Yes. Okay. Now? Number 15? Yes. So in this case, angle 1 equal what? I said n rhombus. The two diagonals are perpendicular. So angle 1 is going to be what? Yes, angle 1, its measure is what? Is 90, okay? So we can say 90 equal 15x. Now, how can I find x? Divide by 15. Okay, so each side on one side. So x equal what? 90 divided by 15, it's going to be 6. Okay? Now, what about 2? Angle 2 also what? 90. Okay, so it's going to be, yes, 90 equal 6 plus y. Move 6 to another side, so it's going to be 9. Yeah, so y it's going to be 84. What about z? So 90 equal 30z, divide by 30 each side, so it's going to be 3. So which one? C. Yes, correct. Now, number 16. Yes, Steve? In the rhombus, measure angle 1 equal 140. What are measure angle 2, measure angle 3? And then yes, angle 1 equal 140. Measure angle 1 equal 40. So measure angle 2 equal 140. 40 also, okay. Yeah. Now. We will subtract 40 from 180. Yes, so it's going to be 40. 40. And it's going to be 20. Yes. So 1 equal 40, 2 equal what? 140, 3 equal what? 20. D or B? B, yes, correct. Okay. Is you guys? Now, what about number 17? Yes, Ahmed? Number 17 quickly. Yes. So it's gonna be this rhombus. So this angle equal 24. Okay. So this, yeah, and this 190. Okay. This 190 also. So angle 1 equal 90. Now. So in this case, this one 24, this one gonna be 24. Okay, so in this case, the two triangles are congruent, so this angle also equal what? 20. What about 3? How can I find the 3? equal what? 66. Okay, so this angle 66. So this 190, this 124, it's going to be 180 minus 90 plus 24, which is going to be 66. Okay, this one 66. So this one is going to be 66. Okay. Now, what about this one? The same? Huh? The same here, guys? Yes. So the correct answer is going to be what? A, B, C, D. Which one? D. Yes. Now, number 18. Judging by appearances. Yes, by appearance. Which figure is trapezoid? Which one trapezoid here? Huh? C. Why C? Because trapezoid has only two pair sides. Okay? Yeah, so it's going to be what? C directly. Okay. Now, number 19. Yes. Huh? Ahmed? Okay. The fifth segment of ABCD. AB considered to a BC equal. What is FF? So this one, this side is 72, and this base is what? 1, 4. How to find the mid segment base? Okay, it's gonna be LM equal what? Base 1 plus base 2 over 2. So it's gonna be 72 plus 1, 4 divided by 2. Okay, so it's gonna be what, teacher? Basically, to go that 88. Great. So it's going to be 7 plus 2 equals 6. And here 176 divided by 2, which is going to be 88. Okay. Now, number 20, save. The two rectangles are similar. So in this case, the two rectangles are similar, which is a correct proportion for corresponding sides. So in this case, I said if the two shapes are similar, so what will happen? Corresponding sides are proportional, okay? So we can say 12 over 4 equal what? 24 over 8. Or we can say 4 over 8 equal 12 over 24, okay? So which one correct here? B, yes. Now, number 21. Yes, Ahmed? So in this case, are the similar? Yes, why? And which case, my dear? Yes, SR and VU. Okay, and VU. So it's going to be 10 divided by what? 12, which is going to be 5 over 6. If you simplify it, as the same, TR, okay, and WU. It's going to be what? 15 out of what? Out of 18, which is going to be 5 out of 6. Oh, they are the same ratio. So in this case, what will happen? Yes. Angle U equal angle what? R. So they are proportional? Yes. They are similar? Yes. So in this case, we can say they are similar. So if you start here by R, you should start here by U. So if you say R S T, I will say V W. Great. And their scale factor is what? 5 out of what? 5 out of 6. Great, guys. Number 22 and last question. Yes. Can I do this? Okay, Ahmed. Yes, similar. Why they are similar, my dear? Why? Because the angles are the same. So in this case, the angles are the same.